From manual mechanisms to artificial intelligence, the story of the machine tool is the story of industry itself. Today, we're taking a deep dive in the world of machine tools, but not just what they do. We're going back to where they came from, how they evolved, and why they've become absolutely essential. At first, it was all very simple. The earliest machine tools were actually powered by hand or by foot pedals. No electricity, no precision. But for that time, a revolutionary idea: make human work easier. Late 18th century, early 19th century, people wanted to save time, make more parts, and scale up production.
The very first true machine tool? Probably a wooden machine powered by your foot. It was revolutionary. It allowed repeatable, faster production.
Then came the Industrial Revolution. Machines got stronger and workshops turned into factories. And steam, then electricity, changed everything. Power could finally be transmitted. Parts standardized and processes industrialized. That's when machine tools became the backbone of modern manufacturing. It's a bit like that chicken and the egg situation. To make more machines, we needed more machines. And that's where it all began. Simple tools, human power, and the first sparks of industrial genius. From wooden lathes to steam-driven workshops, every step pushed us closer to the world we know today. But the real transformation? When machines became digital, making them faster, smarter, and more connected than ever. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into the digital revolution and what comes next for machine tools. But stay with us, Big Moves continues.